has only 2 ingredients, your hands and a mixing bowl. Today we're going to be making something that's not quite liquid and it's not quite solid. Do you know what it is? It's OOBLECK! So, yes, OOBLECK has its own name because it's not quite liquid and it's not quite solid. So here are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need 1 cup of cornstarch. This is the cornstarch brand that I used, but you can use any cornstarch that you have. Make sure it's cornstarch and not cornmeal or corn flour. Cornstarch. You'll need 1 to 2 cups of water. So I put 2 cups in here. 1 cup you're gonna add in, and then the 2nd cup is gonna be used to be added gradually as you need it. If you don't need all the 2 cups, that's okay. You don't have to use all 2 cups, so make sure you use 1. You'll need 1 mixing bowl to put your ingredients in. And I put a towel at the bottom so the bowl can stay, steady in one place, and it helps with any messes. You see, I already made cornstarch mess, okay? So these are your ingredients. So here, I'm gonna add in my ingredients and mix it up to get my OOBLECK. So again, 1 cup of cornstarch. Bam. Since I have leftover cornstarch in here, I'm gonna use my cup. I'm gonna use my water and pour it in so I can get all the cornstarch in the bowl. And again, I'm gonna add water little by little. Make sure you get the sides. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, use your hands. It's the fun part. Okay, yep. I already feel the OOBLECK magic.
Much later.
Okay, so right now my OOBLECK is really tough. So I'm gonna add a little more water just to make it a little more liquidy. How hard it is to grab. It looks liquidy, but it's so hard to grab. So I want to show you guys what happens when I pick it up. If I could grab some. It just turns into liquid. It really feels like quicksand. So if you lower your hand slowly into the bowl, it becomes liquid. But if you try to take your hand super fast, take your hand out super fast, you can't. Watch. I'm gonna try to hold the bowl. Okay, my hand is in. Oh, there it goes. You see how the solid just right away turns into liquid? And I'm trying to grab it. I can't. See how it looks liquidy? But watch when I grab. There's little chunks that just immediately turn into liquid. I'm trying to grab the chunks and they immediately turn into liquid. Both my hands in. Try to take them both out really fast. I'll take the whole bowl with me if I try to take it out really fast. So this is a fun science experiment that's really simple that you can do at home. You can add food coloring to it to change the cornstarch to a different color. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that super easy, super quick, and super fun experiment on how to make your own OOBLECK. Please be sure to like and comment and subscribe to our Branches YouTube channel, where we're going to be sharing more fun and exciting videos for you guys to see and participate in as, you know, we're home and away from Branches. We can't wait to see you guys. Have a great, awesome day.